Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at one of the first 1/43 scale Italian Bburago made model. It is legendary 70s rally car, Lancia Stratos. Real scale Lancia Stratos is a mid-engine, rear-wheel drive sports coupe that was made from 1973 up to 1978. Totally, around 500 examples were made. But speaking about scaled-down examples, they were, and still are made in large quantities by different producers and in different scales. Italian Bburago examples were made from 70s in 1/24 scale, and from 1982 up to 1989 were made in 1/43 scale. This current example is the very early made model that could be identified by early design wheels, Apple computer-style box, and very short list of model assortment. But the most interesting thing about this current model is a fact that it was bought new in 1983 in Riga during Soviet times. It was possible due to specialized shops for foreigners, tourists and privileged Soviet citizens, where for foreign currency, it was possible to buy Western world items. This model is very minimalistic, because it was designed to be used as a durable toy, and due to cutting costs of production. Here we go. A small copy of legendary rally car, that also is a pioneer in whole range of 1/43 Bburago made models. Also, an interesting piece of history. Write in comments, what kind of early Bburago model you like most.